Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel and new video. Facebook issue. Preparing, please wait. Try switching to Wi-Fi and restarting the apps to resolve issue. It is Facebook Lite issue. Okay, let's see how to solve it. At first, open your Play Store. Click on search icon. Search for Facebook Lite. Now click on Facebook Live uninstall. Click here and again install. Just wait. That's okay. Now click on open option.